In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on iPhone. So even if you had TikTok or you didn't have TikTok, it's easy to download on your iPhone, especially after the ban and then it was lifted and now it's okay to have for a certain amount of time. So what you can do is just do the usual thing that you would with any other app. So go over to your settings. Go over to your app store. And what we can do here is go ahead and type in TikTok, go search, and it should be the first result here. And we're going to download it like we normally download it, download any other app on our iPhone. It'll ask you to confirm, and there it is downloading. Once your TikTok app is done downloading, we can either open it here or X out of the App Store and go find it wherever it may be. And then from here, you would just go ahead and make an account and use TikTok like you normally would. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next one.